We've got this Mini Cooper in for a catback system, but we get asked so many times, does doing an exhaust make any difference to power? We're going to put it on the dyno and let's find out. So as you can see here, the Mini has been on the dyno and it made quite an impressive 277 horsepower. So we're going to build a catback system now and let's see if we can get that number improved. What's that?
So this is, yeah, I don't know, ain't going to make much difference. Turns out this one's already straight piped.
It will make a big difference. That clamp there, is it? Yep. My guess is that's got washers on top, yep. Lots of. And this one. Only on one. What the fuck? Whoever done that up needs
I ain't got a big battery here, come on.
Nope, they're not undoing. Someone really fucked them up, didn't they? Cool, they're tight. Now the exhaust system's off the car, we've given the customer a few options and he's gone for these twin 4-inch black tips, which I personally think go really well with the car. Let us know in the comments if you think otherwise, but let's get the exhaust made and get these tips on. So the old exhaust is in relatively good condition, so we can actually use this to reference some of the measurements for the new exhaust system that they're going to build. So we can work these bends out later, but for now we know that we've got to add a slip joint onto this, so we'll add 2 inches onto there, and it's 17.5 inches to the first bend. This bend and this bend should be identical because the exhaust needs to stay straight. So using the angle finder, this is actually 25 degrees. So I'll cut a 25-degree angle and that should bring the exhaust, keep the exhaust nice and straight in the tunnel. $18 inches. So we need to make the Y pipe for the tailpipes now. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the tailpipes where we want them with the right gap between them. We need to measure in between here, which is 36 mil. To cut the two bends in the right place, we need to get 36 mil. So we need to take one of these bends to the saw and cut it at 18. We're going to half this bend. So let's get it in the saw and I'll explain the rest. As I said when we was working this out on the bench, the distance between the two tips was 36 mil. So what I've done is I've set this bend up in the saw at 18 mil. So when we cut it in half, we'll have two 18 mils. When we put them together, hopefully we have 36 mil and they should just drop into the tailpipes. So that's both bends cut. We put them together. We've measured the distance between there and there, which is 36 millimeters, which means they should fit in our tailpipes perfect. So now what we'll do is weld that up. So that's the exhaust all built. As you can see, it's a lot straighter than the original. It's the same size bore all the way through. It's a lot less restrictive. Let's get it on the car, get some exhaust hangers made, get it back on the rollers and see if we've achieved anything. So that's the Mini all done. As you can see by the graph, the numbers talk for themselves. It actually made more power and more torque way more efficiently. So the numbers do not lie.